Hello children, very good morning to all. Today, let us start our next lesson, tuples. Okay, now we covered string, after that list, then next one, tuples. Okay, that is tuples are immutable, you were already studied. Okay, then what is tuple? Tuples are sequence that are used to store a tuple of values of any type. Okay, then tuples are immutable. Immutable means you cannot change the elements of tuple in place. Python will create a fresh tuple when we make changes to an elements of tuple. Okay, then how to create and accessing tuples? Okay, tuples are created just like list except by parentheses. Okay, list you were already studied. In list we are using square bracket, but in list we are using parentheses. Here we have some examples. See here empty parenthesis that represents empty tuple 1, 2, 3, 2, 2.5, 4, 1.2, A, 1, B, 2, C, 3 all are given. In between single quotes, that means it's a string tuple. It's a mixed tuple and this one is an example for string tuple. Okay. See how to create tuples. See here you can see t is equal to empty parenthesis. That means it's an empty tuple. Or you can create a tuple like t is equal to value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. Okay. Then this construct is known as tuple display construct. Okay, then empty tuple. How to create empty tuple? There are two ways to create an empty tuple. Either you can write t is equal to empty parenthesis, or you can write t is equal to tuple then empty parenthesis. Okay, either empty parenthesis or t is equal to tuple of empty parenthesis. Okay, that means it creates an empty tuple and the variable t is assigned to that tuple. Okay, or it will referring to that tuple. Okay, the next one, single element tuple. Okay, to create a single element tuple, either you can write t is equal to, then the element you can given in between parentheses. Okay, then when you print this tuple, you will get this answer 20. Because we given this 20 in between this parenthesis. Otherwise, you can give t is equal to 5 comma. Okay, that means this it will take this as a tuple. Then when you print this, you will get the answer as 5 comma in parenthesis. Next, t is equal to 100 comma. Then print t means it will print this 100 comma in parenthesis. Okay. The next one, creating long tuples. Okay, roots is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20 is given. Okay, that means it created tuple with these mesh values and this one is assigned to the variable roots. Okay, nested tuples means a tuple inside another tuple is called nested tuples. Okay, see here T1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, comma 40, 50, 60. This one is another tuple, comma 100. Okay. Then len of T1, that is length of tuple T1 is equal to 5. That means 1, 2, 3. Then this tuple together considered as a single element. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of this tuple is 5. Then T1 of 1. T1 of 1 means, see here, T1 is the name of a tuple. Okay, then first element is 20. Okay, T1 of 1. Here 0th element, here first element. Okay, then T1 of 3, 1 means here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3, 1 means third element. Okay, then in this third element, first one, here 0, here 1. So the element is 50. Okay, children. The next one, how to create tuple from existing sequence. See here, t is equal to tuple of sequence. This is sequence. No, this is a Syntax for creating tuples from existing sequence. T is equal to tuple of Python. Okay, that means this Python is a string. Okay, when you print this string, it will print a tuple like this. Python. Each character will considered as a single element. Okay, by using this string, it will create a tuple. Next one, items equal to 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, this one is a list. Then T2 is equal to tuple of items means it displays which one? 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, to create a tuple with the elements of list items. Next one, T1 is equal to tuple of input enter elements. Okay, here we are given one statement to read element. Okay, so you can enter the elements. Here we are giving A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it's a string. So when you enter a data like this, it will take this as a tuple. That's why here we get A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is because here we are using one keyword tuple. That's why only. Okay, that's why it will take this string as a tuple and each character will consider as a single element. Okay, children. Then next one, EVAL while creating tuple. Okay, see here my tuple is equal to EVAL of input and the tuple elements. EVAL is a variable, is a function that will convert string into integer. Okay, here enter tuple elements 10 Ravi 10.5. Okay, then my tuple 10 Ravi 10.5. The next one, how to access tuple elements. Okay, see tuple is just like strings. Okay, then what are the similarity with strings? See here, every individual elements of tuples are accessed from their index position, which is from 0 to length -1 in forward indexing and -1 to minus length in backward indexing. See the example, fruits equal to mango, apple, guava, pomegranate, cherry. So this is 0th position, first position, second, third, fourth in forward indexing. Okay, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is forward indexing and backward indexing -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. That means this mango is placed in position 0 or in the position of -5. Okay, the next one, accessing list elements. Okay, not a list elements, tuple elements. Okay, tuple elements are accessed just like string. Okay, that is str of 2 means character at second index, just like tuple of 2 means element at the second index. Okay, and tuple of 1 comma 1:3 means all items between index 1 to 2. Commonly we can say T of I will return item at index I and T of ij means all items between index I to j minus 1. Okay, and T of I colon j colon n means every nth item between index I to j minus 1. Okay, that is T of ij means this I is a start value and j is a stop value. T of ijn means I is a start value, j stop value and n is step value. That's why it will return every nth item between index I to j minus 1. Next one, membership operator. Okay, see both in and not in can be used to check the presence of any item in tuple. You already know which are the membership operator. Okay, so two types of membership operator, in and not in, just to check whether the element is present inside or not. Okay, just to check the presence of an element. So by using this in and not in, you can easily check whether the element is present in a tuple or not. Next one, concatenation and replication. Okay, for concatenation you can use plus symbol, and for replication you can use star symbol. Okay, then next one, difference from list. See children, although tuples are similar to list in many ways, but yet there is one major difference is lists are mutable while tuples are immutable. Okay, lists are mutable whereas tuples are immutable. See here, L1 is equal to 10, 20, 30. Then T1 is equal to 100, 200, 300. L1 of 1 is equal to 200. Okay, L1 is a list. So when you try to change the value of first position, L1 of 1 is equal to 200, that one is valid statement. But when you try to change the value at first position of a tuple, that is T1 of 1 is equal to 150. This one is an invalid statement because tuples are immutable. Okay children, so please study all the topics that we covered today. Okay, just like list and string, the tuples is also very important topic. Okay, then after studying list and string, this tuple will be more easy. Okay, when you got the concept of all the slicing, the indexing, okay, and also the other operations related to string and list, then these tuples will be also easy to you. So don't forget to work with these statements. Okay, so should study all the concepts properly. Okay, see you again with another topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.